This is Elias with re-glazed tutorials, and today I wanted to do a quick video showing you how to clean the chip of a bathtub. If you have a bathtub that you glazed or got glazed at some point when you bought it or when you bought your property, this video tutorial will help you basically cover that patch up and make it look nice. Let me show you how it looks, okay? I'm going to show you how it looks now. Okay, so let's show you how this looks. As you can see, this bathtub is actually white. However, though, at the beginning, when it was first used, it was actually a green-blue color. So if you can see, it's all cracked up, and it's pretty easy to fix, just so you know. So I'm going to show you, as I showed you in the first part of the video, you saw some stuff on the table. So I'm going to show you how to apply this stuff in there, okay? Because this is a bathtub that was glazed at some point, you really can't use anything that's too strong. You can't use any bleach to clean it. I recommend using Lysol here. And using this Lysol hydrogen peroxide, it's going to help it look very nice and clean it up. And we're just going to spray a little bit of that right now, okay? Basically, you want to spray with your Lysol. You can buy all these products at Home Depot or Amazon. I'm going to have links on the video description. But basically, yeah, you spray it up a little bit, clean it. Get the towels, you clean around there. You see, it's already started that it's cracking up already. But don't worry about that. It just has to look clean. It has to be dry and clean. Okay. I'm going to use a mask and use a brush like this, and also something like this. I forgot what they're called, but they're very good. And basically, what you could do is, once you put the paint on it, and the paint is basically this little thing here. Once you put this stuff in there, this is gonna help spread everything around, because it's a super glue that helps the porcelain stuff. So it's really cool stuff. So I'm gonna go now and apply it. Different now, but basically you don't want to breathe the stuff in because it's very strong. So you just want to apply the stuff in there, in the affected areas. That one there. That's all that I can see for now. Put that on the side here, and use your brush and lightly do it. See? You may need more. A very strong odor. And you are going to have to do a couple of passes, just so you know, because it's not going to be done right away. As you can see, it's a big patch that was lost. A bit more. But a little more. With the brush. There you go. As you can see, it's already starting to look very different than before. That's pretty much it. You just continue to pass this a few times during the day, and eventually the odor is going to go away, and you're going to have a bathtub that looks nice. That's pretty much it. This is Elias with re-glazed tutorials, and I wanted to show you the end result of this video, so you can see that the crack is gone, that peeled off area is gone, and pretty much your tub is back to normal, how you expected it to be. That's all that you have to do, and it's pretty easy, like I showed you earlier in this video. Signing off, this is Elias. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I am going to be having a lot of more tutorials as we go on. Especially I want to do more home improvement tutorials, and I have a lot of them to do. So take care, everybody.